Welcome students. In our next video, the topic is integers. Look at the given picture. We see there are some objects. We have to count these objects in order to find out the answer how many. So, there are 7 boys, 4 ducks, 1 tree and so on. The numbers were created because of the need to count things in nature. We write the count of things in the form of numbers. बघा मुलांनो, निसर्गातील वस्तू या मोजण्याच्या गरजेतून संख्या निर्माण झाल्या. वस्तूंची मोजणी आपण संख्येच्या म्हणजेच नंबर्सच्या रूपात लिहितो. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 that we use for counting are counting numbers. They are also called natural numbers and they are innumerable. Sometimes we also use 0, but it is not in this list of natural numbers. So, the set of all natural numbers together with 0 is the set of whole numbers. They are also innumerable. बघा मुलांनो, नॅचरल नंबर्स म्हणजे 1, 2, 3, 1 पासून सुरू होणारे ते अमर्यादितपणे असणाऱ्या संख्या यांना आपण नॅचरल नंबर्स असे म्हणतो. आणि 0 म्हणजे 0 पासून सुरू होणाऱ्या ज्या संख्या आहेत त्या संख्यांना आपण होल नंबर्स म्हणतो. स्टुडंट्स, we need to use some other numbers which are not there in this group. So, first watch the next video carefully.
It's a hot, sunny day. The temperature has shot up to 40 degrees Celsius. Wow! It's raining. The weather has become so cool. The temperature has come down to 15 degrees Celsius. What would be the temperature now? How would the scale show it? 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. Since we have snow everywhere, the temperature is now below 0 degrees Celsius. This is shown as a negative number with a minus sign like minus 10 degrees Celsius. Have you noticed the water scale in the dam water? It shows you the reading for the water level in the dam at any given time. Water is receding in the dam and water level is going below 0. What would be the water level below 0? The water level below 0 is shown by negative numbers starting from -1, -2 and so on so forth. The car starts from its initial position, which we mark as 0. The car travels east 5 kilometers and then travels west 7 kilometers. The car went forward and then moved backwards in the same direction. How would you represent the distance of the car from the initial position? The car started from point 0 and moved 5 kilometers forward. Then it turned and started moving towards the same point from where it had started. After traveling for 5 kilometers, it comes at point 0 again. This is the same position from where the car had started. From this position, the car then continues to move backwards for an additional 2 kilometers. Looking at the picture, we can clearly see that the car is 2 kilometers from its original position. Sam and Jack love the seashore. Traveling in a balloon is Sam's favorite sport and Jack loves water diving. Sam's balloon is at a distance of 500 meters above sea level. Jack is diving and he is 1,100 meters below sea level. How would you represent the altitude of the balloon and the depth of the underwater diver? Sea level is marked as 0. Balloon is plus 500 meters from the sea level and the underwater diver is minus 1,100 meters from the sea level. Numbers less than 0 with a minus sign attached to the number are called negative numbers.
पाहिलात ना मुलांनो व्हिडिओ? हा व्हिडिओ पाहत असताना -°C, -मीटर असा उल्लेख तुम्ही ऐकला असेल. आता हे मायनस नंबर्स म्हणजे काय, किंवा त्याला निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स असेही म्हणतो आपण. सो व्हॉट आर निगेटिव्ह नंबर? लेट्स लर्न. पहा मुलांनो, समोरील उदाहरणात बर्फाळ प्रदेशातील तापमान मोजण्यासाठी -10°C असा उल्लेख केलेला आहे. तसेच समुद्र सपाटीपासून समुद्र तळाची खोली मोजण्यासाठी देखील -1100 मीटर असा उल्लेख केलेला आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपल्या दैनंदिन व्यवहारात आपण अनेक वेळेला अशा निगेटिव्ह नंबर्सचा वापर करतो. आपण आणखीन एक उदाहरण पाहूया. इन अ लिफ्ट the ground floor is numbered 0, while the floors below the ground level are numbered as -1 and -2. बघा मुलांनो, when we put a minus sign before any number, the number obtained is less than 0. It is called a negative number. On a thermometer, we always see positive numbers above 0 and negative numbers below 0. Like this thermometer, on the number line, positive numbers are on the right side of the 0 and they can be written as 1, 2, 3 or +1, +2, +3. And negative numbers are on the left side of the 0. They are written as -1, -2, -3, etc. So remember, the plus sign is generally not written before positive numbers. म्हणजेच बघा मुलांनो, जे पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स असतात या नंबर्सच्या आधी प्लस हे चिन्ह द्यायलाच पाहिजे अशी काही आवश्यकता नाही. इट इज नेसेसरी टू राईट द साइन ऑफ अ निगेटिव्ह नंबर. परंतु निगेटिव्ह नंबर्सच्या आधी मायनस हे साइन देणं आवश्यकच आहे. 0 डज नॉट हॅव एनी साइन. 0 म्हणजे शून्य, याला कोणतेही चिन्ह नसते. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी लर्न दॅट पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स 0 अँड निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स टुगेदर फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर्स कॉल्ड द ग्रुप ऑफ इंटिजर्स. नाउ लेट्स लर्न how to show integers on the number line. Look here, this is a line and the point on a number line which is marked as O is the origin. Now we are going to mark the points on the left and the right of the origin at equal distance. Look how I am marking the points at equal distances. So we mark the points on the left side of the origin. Now this is the right side of the origin, and thus I have marked the points at equal distances on the left side of the origin and the right side of the origin. Now the numbers on the right side of the origin are positive numbers. So we are giving, this is the first point, so this is 1. This is the second point, so this is 2. Like this is 3 and 4. So on the right side of the origin, these are positive numbers, and on the left side of the origin, these numbers are negative. So we are marking them. The first point is -1. This is -2. This is -3. This is -4. The line is endless. So students, this is the number line. This is point O, that is origin. These are negative numbers. Negative numbers are always on the left side of the origin. These are positive numbers. Positive numbers are always on the right side of the origin. Thus, today we have learned the concept of integers and showing integers on the number line. Thank you.